sessions are always different. You never know what to expect. Absolutely love it.
It's always fun, and I feel probably fitter now than I've ever been.
Working with Neil has made me believe in myself, made me push myself. He's made me lift weights I thought I'd never be able to do.
I was looking for a trainer who would bring out the best, and Neil Marsh is the best.
He's very motivational in what he does. The hour doesn't feel like the hour.
It's like a buzz in an hour. It just turns your day round.
I have become stronger since working with Neil, mentally and physically.